You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. In British English and American English, they are pretty similar, but there's a tiny difference between the two. British English, UK, ovulation, ovulation. The stress is on the lay syllable, the third syllable, ovulation. American English use a bit more of an sound at the beginning, ovulation, but it's similar pronunciation, ovulation or ovulation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.